Hey friends, your girl's looking like a hot mess right now. I got off of work around 8 in the morning, picked up a night shift, and this makeup right here, yep, this was yesterday's makeup that I didn't take off. I just knocked out when I got home and woke up around 12, so now it's like 1 o'clock-ish, and I'm gonna go home, rinse my face. But real quick, I'm gonna lighten my hair, and you guys are gonna see if I failed or if it's gonna turn out good. But yeah, that's why my hair is in like this messy ass bun, because it's like a 4-day-old hair and it's disgusting. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought at Sally's. I already have some of the products at home. So for example, I have this just like 4 fluid ounce 10 volume developer. I have the 20 at home as well. It cost me about $2.50, and the bigger bottle cost me about $4. The total is gonna be under 50. You can use any type of bleach, like powder, but I like to use this one. This is like a paste right here. This is called the cream lightener, and it lightens up to 8 levels. This is a really good bleach cream lightener type of situation, and this was the most expensive thing that I bought. This is $14, and this is the one that is 6 ounces, so this is gonna be, you know, my whole head. And then of course toner. I just bought the T18 because I need some of this. I have the T050 at home, and they cost me about $7 each. And then the other one isn't really a toner, it's more of like a dye. I like a dark smudged root, so I have that. It's in the color dark ash brown. So I have that for my roots, and then I have the T18 and the T050. The 050 is an additive, so it makes your hair a little bit more ashier, so that's why I like to add that in. And the T18 is it's in the color lightest ash blonde. Yeah, let's go home and see what I do. Disclaimer, I am not a professional hairstylist. I just want to make this video for you sisters that can't really spend that $300 to $400 at the salon. I've been doing my own hair since I was 16, so it's been a good flippin' 7 years, you know, just experimenting with my hair and showing you the tips and tricks that I do so that my hair doesn't fall off, you know what I mean? So yeah. Okay, so let me show you guys what I'm working with here. I took off my nasty ass foundation, by the way. Okay, so I currently have light brown hair. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the it's called like a baby light balayage technique. I have all my foils, I have my glovos, and I mixed the cream bleach, and the 10 developer, and it should be like somewhat pasty and not runny, because yeah. And let's get started. I'm gonna start from the bottom. This is gonna take me like an hour to do, so just watch me as I go, and that's how I'm gonna do my hair. just mixed in the T18 plus the 050 additive. It's a 1:2 ratio for the volume and the developer and the toner. And then now I'm just gonna kind of shadow routage my roots first. I did already rinse my hair with purple shampoo, and to be honest, in person it doesn't look too bad, but yeah, don't know why the camera's picking up so much of that orange, but it could blend in just a bit, like that. So it's been 6 days later. Fast forward, I just got really tired on Sunday and just cut it quits after I rinsed out the toner. But here is how it looks like, and I didn't anticipate on like a whole blonde hair head of hair, but so then you pretty much see some like dark and some light parts. My lighting situation is, I don't know, but let me show you guys the routage part. Like, it gives it a low maintenance, if anything, when my roots come out, just because I don't want to dye it too often, you know what I mean? All I have to do is just tone it. I have purple shampoo for this. Right now I'm using the Fanola no yellow shampoo, and yeah, my hair is still intact. There has been no breakage whatsoever. If you guys liked this whole how-to video, please like the video down below and subscribe if you haven't. I will try to put out more content. If you have any suggestions, leave it down below. So I didn't like how I did my outro, so here we are again 2 hours later. Peace out.